Oakland, California. A man with a mask is seen fidgeting at the door and possibly trying to break inside of an office building. His face is clearly captured on the Ring doorbell. He turns around with a lighter and some object in his hand. He seems to be trying to heat up the object so that he can use it to possibly melt something or burn something. I don't know what this guy's intentions are, but he looks like he's up to no good. You can clearly see his face even with the mask on. I believe he's rubbing the heated object or his finger on the Ring doorbell. I don't know what this guy's up to. The homeowner gets a notification that this creep is at his door.
What are you doing there?
I'm sorry.
I don't know what this guy was up to, but I don't like it.
Hide your Ring camera. Turn your Ring cam into a hidden camera with Cam Masker. Compatible with Ring Indoor Cam, Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam. Cam Masker hides your Ring camera without interfering with its various functions. Order yours today at cammasker.com. Cam Masker, the #1 way to hide your Ring cam.